welcome back to another video on the Questionable Riding channel. Today I was literally on my way out to go film another video for you guys, and I saw this. I ordered this a couple weeks ago. It came from China, I think. Move that out the way. Take it out the wrapper, hold on. Okay, so I got it out the packaging. So this right here is, I think it's called a mid pipe, but basically what this is gonna do is eliminate that breadbox that I was talking about in my walk around video. Again, this wasn't supposed to come for a few months, and I walked outside and it was right there. I didn't even get a delivery notification or anything like that. I'm gonna put the link below for you guys that have Z900s, so that you guys can take the breadbox off too if you want. But today's video is gonna be a breadbox removal. All right, so I don't actually have the tool to do this. So what I'm gonna have to do is rent it from Home Depot. This is an angle grinder. This is what I see most people using. So I'm just gonna rent it from Home Depot and take it off myself versus, I don't know. I don't even know if a dealership would do something like this. But yeah, it's only 36 bucks a day. I'm just gonna rent it for the whole day. So that way I don't have to deal with, if I break something, I don't have to deal with trying to get it back like ASAP. All right, so you know I'm all for sharing the prices, put you on. So this is the total amount for a rental for the full day. The pipe itself was like 50 bucks, I wanna say. So yeah, if I don't mess anything up, total price for this mod is probably somewhere like 100 bucks less. That says 43. So yeah, less than 100 bucks for this mod. Also, I couldn't get it today, so it's gonna seem like a cut for you guys, but I have to wait a full day, which is unfortunate. But I'm just gonna go and get another video done for you guys. All right, so I picked up the saw. I'm gonna be honest, this feels like overkill. This thing is kind of heavy. It's like maybe 6 pounds. Then I got the blade, this big old blade. I mean, that's like compared to the slip-on portion. So I feel like it's overkill, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna go change and we'll see what's what. All right, so I got everything out that I need. I don't know if H6 and H4 are like universal measurements, but that's what you're gonna need to get this heat shield off and this panel off here. I'll be taking both of those off to make sure that I have enough space to work with, so I can get to the O2 sensor, because I need to get that off. But yeah, that's gonna be what you need for this here, and to take off this here. And for the headers, it is a 12 mil. I got the extension on there so that I can reach it, but put what you want on there. Let's get to it. So now that I have the heat shield off, we can see what we're trying to get at. So this is the bread box right here, and I'm trying to get that off. So what I'm gonna do is the pipe is basically going to replace this. And to do that, I'm gonna have to cut right here. And I would need to cut here, except for this is a slip-on, so I can just take that off. So the main thing I need to do is just get enough space to where I can cut here, and to do that, I'm just gonna take the headers off. So I didn't have the wrench needed, so I just used pliers. I don't know what size it is, but it's over 3/4. It's on there tight, so make sure you got that grip strength. If you trying to take this O2 sensor out. You're gonna need to take it out if you're gonna drop the entire the header. This is a 10mm. It's gonna be needed to take off the slip-on exhaust. Well, at least the SC Project one. I don't know if it differs for the different slip-on exhaust. It was stuck. There we go. Perfection. The rear brake assembly is in the way, so now I have to take it off. I didn't want to because that ain't part of the project, but gotta move it out the way to make sure I don't break anything trying to take it off. So this is what the stock headers look like. You notice that blue one, that means your boy was out here street racing, you know what I'm saying? Doing 185 miles an hour. Nah, I don't go that fast because that's not the speed limit, you know what I'm saying? But now we just have to cut here. This thing's pretty heavy, I ain't gonna lie. And then once it's all put together, I'm gonna cut open the bread box so we can see what's in there. All right, let's get shredded. So it's not pretty, but it was kind of hard to see with all the sparks, but it should work the same even though it's not like perfectly level. This here is the catalytic converter. The bread box is not the catalytic converter. When you buy a racing exhaust, basically the only difference is that the headers are a little wider and there's no catalytic converter, which is why some people alter the headers, their stock headers, by simply just drilling this out, so they don't have to pay that $2,000 for the Acro exhaust or the SC Project exhaust or M4 or what have you. But yeah, we're gonna put this back on, put this together, and hopefully we got a much better sound going. as you can see, I did try to get in here, but the blade started getting dull, and I'm not gonna buy another one just to get in there. So maybe I'll just put a picture in the video of what an open bread box looks like. So that's it. Go ahead, hit that like button, you know, subscribe, comment, tell me if you like how the Z900 sounds. We go out here and get a good look at her. Look at Angelina, see how she looks. Yeah, this is what she looks like without that bread box. And till next time, guys, that's it.
They call me a